Hello, this is Tim Little, Municipal Manager here in Monroeville. And I'm here for another segment of Monroeville in a moment. I'm here with Mayor Dr. Nicholas Griesbach. He and I are here to talk about the corona pandemic and how it is affecting governmental operations here in Monroeville and the community in itself. Mayor, what operations in the municipality are still continuing with the coronavirus pandemic?
Thanks, Tim. Right now, all essential services are being provided in the municipality. Our police, fire, EMS, our dispatch center, and garbage and recycling collections. Our municipal staff is still reporting, but we are limiting our face-to-face operations with the public. Right now, most items can be taken care of over the phone by dialing the main number at 412-856-1000. Also, through our website at monroeville.pa.us. 24/7, we have our dispatch center that is open. That is the police entrance of the municipal building, which is in the rear of the building on the bottom floor. There are drop boxes located there for tax payments or building applications or any other mail that needs to be dropped off. But we really are encouraging residents to stay home and try to get their problems or concerns resolved over the phone or through email. And this is very important to try to reduce the spread of COVID-19 by staying in. But we're working very hard here at the municipality. Staff is working very hard, and just be patient with everyone as we get through this difficult time.
Okay, thanks, Mayor. Last night, Governor Wolf gave a direction that all non-life-sustaining businesses in the Commonwealth should close or have to close. Can you comment on that with respect to our businesses and entities here in Monroeville?
Yes, with the governor's declaration, grocery stores are permitted to stay open, restaurants for takeout, pharmacies, gas stations, and there are other essentials that are on there. The list is pretty wide, and there was a little confusion on that. We encourage residents to go to the Pennsylvania State website for more information on this. You can also get information on the Monroeville website once again, and also the Monroeville Chamber of Commerce has more information on this as well.
Okay, just to repeat what the mayor said in the previous question, the municipal building is open at the rear of the building where the police station is. Obviously, if any resident or even non-resident needs a police officer, you can come to the police entrance in the rear, and you can talk to a dispatch person that is there, and also you can obtain any kind of building permit application, a park and recreational permit, and also we have the Turtle Creek Valley COG who collects the stormwater fee. There will be a drop box there for them, and also there will be a drop box for our taxes, because this is the tax season and people are paying their taxes. Now, continuing on with governmental operations, Mayor, will the municipality have any public meetings coming up within the next month?
Yes, Tim. We are still formulating the answer for that. Our next scheduled meeting is for April 9th, is our council work session and our agenda setting meeting. The actual official council meeting is on April 14th. We're still trying to formulate an answer. A possible procedure we may invoke is to actually have the council work session and the council meeting on the same evening of April 14th, and actually we may not allow the public to attend that meeting, but to take their comments and questions via email to the manager's office and over phone, and we will answer those questions at the meeting. But right now we have not formulated a full answer on that yet, and we will have updates to that on our, once again, our municipal website for the answer to that question. And we got to keep in mind too, right now we are recording this little press release here on March 20th. And this is a very fluid situation with COVID-19. The information that we're putting out right now could change at any moment, and but the municipal website and Facebook and also our Nixle alerts are the best way to keep on top of these items. Nixle is a way for you to get alerts sent to your cell phone. That information is all found on the municipal website where you can sign up for those alerts. In addition to other alerts for the community and for the county, the Allegheny County Health Department is also furnishing alerts, as well as Allegheny County in general. You can get that information on the Allegheny County website to sign up for those alerts so you can stay well informed throughout this situation.
Okay, Mayor, good. A question about the employees here in Monroeville. Are there any Monroeville employees that have developed symptoms of the coronavirus?
At this time, we have no reason to believe that any of our employees have the virus, and we are practicing social distancing with our employees. We are dispatching our public works in a way that they are not working closely together, and we're taking a lot of precautions as far as that goes. And certainly anyone that doesn't feel well, is exhibiting any symptoms, they are being sent home.
Okay, if a resident has any symptoms that they believe are attached to the coronavirus, what should they do?
Well, right now the recommendation is for you to not go to the hospital. If you're not feeling well, if you're exhibiting symptoms of cough or fever or respiratory issues, you're to call your doctor, and your primary care physician will direct you on the next step. There are some testing sites that both UPMC and Forbes Hospital, Allegheny Health Network, are providing. And by contacting your primary care physician, they will direct you the best way to get tested if you need to get tested. However, if you're exhibiting any severe symptoms, if you are having difficulty breathing, you are encouraged to go to the emergency room. The main thing is we don't want the hospitals to be flooded with patients, and we're trying to avoid this community spread, and also we don't want to overwhelm the hospitals. But both in Monroeville here, we are very blessed to have both health systems functioning at a very high level in UPMC East and Allegheny Health Network at Forbes Hospital. And you can find more information about the coronavirus on both of their websites, ahn.org and also upmc.com. Both are providing information for when to get seen, when to get tested, who to speak with. They're doing telemedicine services through the website in the event that maybe you don't have a primary care physician. So those are two very valuable resources to check into, ahn.org and also upmc.com. But once again, if you're having some severe symptoms, do not hesitate to call our EMS dispatch center here, 412-856-1111 or 911, or also go to the emergency rooms on your own.
Okay, obviously the businesses across the Commonwealth and across the country are having a very difficult time. And the governor has given a directive that all non-life sustaining businesses should close. But we do have businesses here in Monroeville that are open. Mayor, would you like to comment on those businesses that are open and how we maybe should patronize those?
Yes, thank you, Tim. Yes, certainly the entire country is being impacted by this. The COVID-19 pandemic, and Monroeville is not alone. We have numerous businesses and a lot of commerce that's going to be negatively impacted throughout this trying time. But one of the big things is our restaurants that offer takeout service. We would ask you to please patronize those restaurants for your meals to try to keep them going through this difficult time. And once again, our grocery stores are still open, and pharmacies and the essentials are open. But at any time, once again, back to our Monroeville website, monroeville.pa.us, and also the Monroeville Area Chamber of Commerce website at monroevillechamber.com. We'll have valuable information on those closures. But we do encourage everyone to patronize those restaurants. One more thing to mention about public service here, our parks and playgrounds are open to the public. It is fine to go out and get some fresh air and activity. We still want you to be practicing social distancing at those parks and playgrounds. We also want to encourage parents to watch their kids as far as at the playgrounds. We can't ensure that all the playground equipment is being sanitized at all times, so please use your discretion. But the parks and playgrounds are open. Restrooms are going to be open at the main community park, and we will be sanitizing those bathrooms on a regular basis, but please use your best judgment as far as social distancing. And that's really the key to all of this, not necessarily in Monroeville, but also for this country. We really want to stay home if you can, and if you're able. When you are around people, we're trying to stay 6 feet apart like Mr. Little and myself are right now. We're washing our hands often, we're coughing into our elbows, and we're sanitizing surfaces on a regular basis. These are very important things that we need to do to get through this pandemic, and our community will survive, but we just need to do the right thing now, flatten out the curve of people that are getting infected with this virus, and get back to our normal way of life.
Okay, just as a final comment here for this segment of Monroeville in a moment, just to repeat, the municipal building is open in the rear at the police station, and we are avoiding face-to-face contact with the staff. We have a limited staff that is working here. However, the full police complement of the police department is working, and at this time, a full complement of the Public Works Department is working. And one of the things that the Public Works Department is doing, it is cleaning the building. So when all this settles, we'll have a clean building to work now and also into the future. So we are trying to avoid face-to-face contact. Mayor, do you have any final comments?
Yeah, once again, I can't urge people enough to sign up for all the alert systems that are available. Through the Allegheny County website, you can sign up for their alerts. At the Monroeville website, you can sign up for our Nixle alerts, where you get text messages sent to you about different changes in the community. And once again, this is a very dynamic system and a challenge, and things could change at any moment as far as closures and the way that we operate. But we're going to continue to operate with the essential services here in Monroeville. And I want to commend all of our municipal employees and our first responders on continuing to keep stability here in the community and to keep our municipal services being provided to everyone. And we may have failed to mention that as obvious as most items are, most places are, the Monroeville Public Library is closed, and so is the Monroeville Senior Citizens Center. Both those facilities are going to be closed. Right now we are scheduled for April 30th, but that is most certainly going to change, and we can just kind of keep checking the website for updates on those closures.
Okay, Mayor, well, that is it for this segment of Monroeville in a moment. This is Tim Little, the municipal manager, and the mayor, Dr. Nicholas Griesok. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you.